Hello all, welcome to my channel Tech Research, and another very important concept related video that which I came across is how to create your own legal documents online in minutes, and that too with a doorstep delivery. It is very useful video, so I do recommend you to watch till end. Go to your internet browser and type legaldesk.com. So this is the one which we are looking at. So you can say this is the home page of Legal Desk. Here you can create your legal documents in minutes. So it provides so many documents. It is so amazing website, which at least I was unknown till the time what it can all provide. I was just came around with some rental agreement and see how it can be done. So in this way it could be done. I'll show you a demo. If you will see, for businesses also, it provides you e-sign workflow, digital stamping and recurring payments. If you want to link up, then it is useful. Or you can also use for individuals, there are so many different documents. When we will say for individuals, view all documents, I was amazed that it has more than 200 documents of variety. Like they provide for everything, like rental agreement, managing business, family, personal, affidavits, student affidavits, everything. And the good thing is they also deliver you here to different states. And this is a website, this is a kind of platform which could be helpful, which provides its services in India right now. So let's go and see out what is the thing that we can do. So first we will do sign up. Here I just want to log in with my Google ID. So yes, I have signed up with my Google ID. Now you can see the home page. Let's go to home page again. And now if we are looking for an affidavit or name change or contracts and agreements, whatever it is, whatever the thing that you want to do, let's go for affidavits and name change. So these are the different ones which could be helpful. So I want to go for a change of name affidavit. Let's assume, for example, I want to create this document. So it mentions clearly that it will provide you the delivery charges and what could be the different things that you need to take care while creating this particular document. Let's go and see if we can do it for like rental agreement. If I want to do the rental agreement, so rental agreement, I want to do it for like Andhra Pradesh, okay, state, and just say create document. Right. The good thing is that what is the rental agreement format is ready here. Right now you can select like what is the thing that you want to rent out, the needed things, okay, or long-term lease, for example. So it's a house that I want to give. So start date, it could be like 13th of January. Duration is 3 years. Right. Are you a landlord? Yes. Select the appropriate options and you can preview this. This is so amazing. You don't have to go and type and concern about the words. It's already there for you for everything. So right here that I want to show, then my gender is female and my father's names. Fill out all the required details. Okay, save and next. So this is amazing. So for with whom tenant you want to rent it out, then here you have to give some your ID card number, what you are uploading, and this how it works. It's so amazing. I'm so amazed with this. You can just save it and you can just create it as you need it. So it will take you to these many rent, terms, utilities, everything. But here everything is just, it is visible, we can see. Okay, it's so amazing. You can just create everything online. You can request for a service, you can get print and delivery. You can also ask something like you are not clear his. So this is very simple. You can also get the doorstep delivery in this here. So it is very convenient and valid. I simply love this one. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, please subscribe to my channel Tech Research for updated notifications. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.